Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to transfer Bitcoin from your Arculus wallet to Binance in 2025. If you're holding Bitcoin in your Arculus hardware wallet and want to move it to a major exchange like Binance for trading or staking, you're in the right place. This process is secure and efficient, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your crypto safe. First off, let's quickly cover the basics. Arculus Wallet is a popular hardware wallet that keeps your Bitcoin offline for maximum security, while Binance is one of the world's largest crypto exchanges where you can trade, buy, or sell assets. Transferring between them is common, especially in 2025 with all the new features and regulations. Before we get started, make sure you have a few things ready: an Arculus wallet with Bitcoin in it, a verified Binance account, and access to both devices, your computer or phone for Binance and your Arculus device. Also, note any network fees. Bitcoin transactions usually use the BTC network, so keep an eye on gas fees. Alright, let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Open your Arculus wallet app and select the Bitcoin you want to transfer. You'll need to unlock your wallet with your PIN or biometric security. Step 2. Generate a withdrawal address from Binance. Log into your Binance account, go to the wallet section, and create a new deposit address for Bitcoin. Make sure it's for the BTC network. Step 3. Back in Arculus, enter the Binance address as the recipient. Double check for typos because that's a common mistake. Step 4. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, review the transaction details, and confirm it on your Arculus device. This might involve physically approving it on the hardware for added security. Step 5. Wait for the transaction to confirm on the blockchain. It usually takes 10 to 30 minutes, but can vary. A few tips to keep in mind. Always use two-factor authentication on both platforms, be aware of current market volatility, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Bitcoin. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.